Traffic ako may jersey.
Let's make it happen. Oh, it's me.
I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. What you need? My next run game, we ain't never leave. Counting up money, we ain't never sleep. You got V12, I got 12 V's. Got bottles, got weed, got my. I'm all the way up. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need.
Patingin mo yung ano, yung
We all way up, Drake. You know you made it when the fact you match made it is worth millions. Lemonade is a popular drink and it still is. Survival of the littest. Niggas who really up first, niggas up in your business. I'm in the room with real niggas not alive. I'm the only one in the room that they fear right now. I think they clear right now. But celebrate no red champagne, we don't play that. All we see is cork bottles and paper plane hats. 21 Grammys that I use for Douce cups. I'm on the penthouse floor, call your way up. The OG said, ho, how high is high enough? I said, till we I with the higher ups. Until we let them know we ain't those niggas. Until our baby showered in gold, nigga. Blue looking like Pac in the tub. David LaChapelle levels and not giving a fuck. Prince left his message where they safe and sound. Never gonna let the elevator take him down.
I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Yo, back up. I'm all the way up. We up north. I'm all the way up. This wasn't me, this was God's doing. And this time I won't finger wrong. Pat Ewing, they ain't wanna see the squad in the rock. Now they chasing the brave like Mr. Softies on the block. Stars on the roof, got a feeling like Venus. Getting so much brain, now I'm a dog, called a genius. Ever since pumping, gone and independent. So I went and do the punch up, then I'm independent. I put it out on the crisis. How the Paris alone, what real ice is. I'm kicking flavor in your ear. I just had a gray on my face and it disappeared. I just dropped the biggest of checks and the shit cleared. When everybody counted us out just this year. I'm Steph Curry in the clutch. Take a shot of this real elite and go all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up.
ano, sa buhay. Yung hanap, di ba? Ano sa'yo? Hanap ko rin na ano.
I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
My swag, my flow, my story back. They mad, too bad, my shoes is packed. My town, my crown, I really rap. I'm home, my king. They was really playing with it, I was in.
That's a good goal. I think so, yeah. Any special rules today? Run a clock again or not?
It's going to be run a clock for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Second half, run a clock. The last 2 minutes is stop clock.
Okay.
One time up first half, 2 time at second half.
And free throws normal, right?
And features is everything's the same, but I think we're doing 16 foul. Is it
16 fouls?
Yeah, 16 fouls.
Okay, okay. That's crazy. That was a lot, huh?
It'll just because it'll be just non-stop, you know,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
free throws, but obviously it's a running time. Can I get a picture of you guys?
Of course.
I'll just take a picture. Okay. First game, Kultura versus Outlaws.
Kaya ito ng apat? Bibigay siya.
Oo, sige lang.
Wow.
Nag-
Wala na nga yung Starbucks ko eh.
Ay, sorry. Sorry, sir. Mamaya.
Ano yung ice, yung ice latte lang. Tapos may vanilla tsaka caramel syrup.
Vanilla at?
Hindi, joke lang.
Vanilla at ano?
Hindi ba nagkakape?
Hindi ko lang malaman, hindi na ako order.
Vanilla tsaka... Wow!
Beb, okay, pwede can you do this part?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah, that's okay. Okay, first game, Outlaws versus Kultura.
Oh, ate, can you pass that drink, please?
Captains mo na, can you get the captains to the table for a minute, please? Captains mo na to the table. Right. Para alam niyo lang yung ano, so pre, one time out first half, two time out second half. Last 2 minutes lang ng second half yung stop clock. Okay? Okay. So, first half, isa lang. Okay.
Okay lang, lagay ko.
Let's go.
Is that okay?
Possession Outlaws.
Yeah.
Number 7. 2 points from July.
How do I change the score? Circle ba pag-score? Circle or plus? Wala na pakalabas.
Head to the ball. Nice pass to number 24. Layup. Wala. Nice rebound. Return. Foul. Number 8 foul. First personal. Saan babaan?
No, di ba?
Is that him with his back? Score is 2-0 Outlaws. Out of bounds. Masyado pa maaga.
When you see all these jerseys,
Wala shooter.
Wala pa rin. Sato with the ball. Ooh, nice run. Foul ball. Foul on Outlaws. Number 8. Number 8. Pangalawa mo na yan, number 8. Ang bilis.
wait, do you need this closer?
You just put the up so it's easier to grab. Like, ilatag mo dun so you can just put it up. It only matters yung mga 3, 4, 5. Basket good. Sato, number 1. Second basket. This is just scoring. I can tell you what's happening. This one dito na. I can do that. Ay, open basket na to. Nice pass. No good. Nice rebound. Sorry. Wow, lakas ni July. Wala. Pass na Sato. Oh, Steve. Ay, wala. Out of bounds. Mamadalito. All you're worrying about the score and then...
Kuya, may subs.
What a half shot, wala. Rusty pala ang kultura. Rusty. Outdoors, 8 o'clock pa lang, nagwa-warm up na. Asan kayo, kultura? Wala pa rin. Minamalas ang kultura. Nice rebound by July. Rebound, wala nang rebound. Foul called, subs. 2 shots. Foul on number
Kaya dyan, Kral Gay, sabihan niyo ako,
29. 16 minutes.
Ang lakas na.
Good basket, good. Nice pass to RJ. Nice pass again. Easy basket. Goal 3. High scoring game. Nice. Oh, what a shot by number 1. Three points for David. Uy.
Number,
Foul called. Number 1 subs. Number 1 foul.
pang ilan na silang team fouls, Ellie? Ay, yung scoring it. You need to score the team fouls.
Sino yung foul na?
Number 1, si Zato.
Nice rebound. Conte, dire-diretso. Wow! And one! Grabe. Number 4 foul. And not those. 24. Sorry, 24. Grabe. Wala pa 1 minute. At 2 point.
Tapos pinapawis ka naman sa mga play. Ganun naman.
Basket, no good. Nice team by Kev. Pasa kay Zato. Layup. No good. Open 3. No good.
Nice, kuya.
Grabe, nice play. Play on, man. Play on. Oh, out of bounds. Subs. Substitution. Pumasok na si Coach. Coach Martellano. Nice pass to Conte. Wala. Oh, out of bounds. Kultura ball. Turnover by Sydney. July with the ball. Dire-diretso. Sinaksak. Oh, charge. Oh, now close. Number 7, charge.
every time may foul, they just add them to the
Who's fouling?
outlaws.
Outlaws.
Just sila. Nasinabi na po.
3 points for number 8, Cultura. 11-6.
Ba't wala yung ad?
Binawi ni Martiliano. No good. Kev, uy. Nice basket by Kevin. Martiliano with the ball. Pasa kay July. Jump shot. No good. Nice rebound by Arden. Still. Outdoors ball. 11 minutes left. Uy! Travel violation. Substitution.
Pampalakas hindi like right? Right?
Yeah, Stop that! Stop that!
3! 16-6. David, number 7. Walang warm-up nila. Walang warm-up yun. Nice steal by Cultura.
Come on! Sorry. People stop. You have to be impartial.
Uy, nag-pull up 3. No good.
Pa!
Nice rebound. Ailey Bracing Cry. Open lane. 16-8.
Isa na lang natira.
Hindi, isa lang sa first half.
Ay, isang time out lang.
Isa sa first half. First half.
Wala na kami time out.
Hindi, dalawa sa second.
I mean, this first half.
Isa lang, isa lang.
Nagamit na ni Bray, no?
Wala pa. Wala. Thank you. Si Punsalam.
Back to Bry. Binigay kay July. Back to Bry. Uy, nice steal. Pasa kay Wenzel. Uy, sayang open Lisa. Ay! Rusty. Back to Conte. Nice rebound by July. Back to Bry. Number 5. Uy, jump shot. No good. Nice. Out. Cultura ball.
Sab.
At 9 minutes left. No good. Nice rebound by Atos. Sumobra. Subs.
Dos ka. Kay.
8 minutes.
Bilis na, bilis!
Nice pass to Dato. 3, no good.
Balikat na ako, man.
Yung agog.
Pre, di put mo yan.
Stop
Wala
ko
yun.
stop.
Subs rep.
Par! Bawas lang, Par! Bawas lang. 8 points lang, Par. 8 points lang.
Score is 16-8. Oh, nice dribbling. Nice pass! Conte for 2. Nice assist by Punsalam. 18-8.
Lamig naman ang ball na to.
Wala. Foul ball. Number 20. Punsalam.
Punta lang.
Kaya time out kami niyan.
Gusto mo na magdamot ngayon? Ngayon na o pag basket?
Dapat kailangan ni Kuya.
Ngayon na o basket? Ron, ngayon na o basket? Ngayon na o basket?
First attempt, no good.
Ang lamig.
Time out, Cultura!
Stop the time. Time. Can you po ano? Hindi na, huwag na yung music.
Tutuloy na tayo.
Score is 18-8.
Kasi hindi.
Banda na ako. Boom.
Should not be 8 team calls because it's too forced combined.
Oh no, so we'll do a half.
Just 6, yeah.
Yeah, 6 for the, per half. Sorry. Hindi kasi once na mag-music kayo, hindi na magana yung buzzer.
Let's get back to the ball game.
Well, start the time.
Timer starts now.
Ano sila? GG. Yung grocery?
Ate, doon po ate. Ron, pakikausap mo na saglit yung GG's. Pabi mo nandun yung table na lang. Thank you, Ron. Thank you.
Basket good by Conte. Score is 29.
Tama ba yan? 29? Oo, yun. Doon.
Basket good by Outlaws.
Di basta.
Kanya?
Foul call on Outlaws. Foul number 1, Outlaws. Warning for penalty on Outlaws.
Ba?
16 calls. Kasi yung sa yung 10 minutes na lang yung 5.
First attempt, no good.
16 calls yung penalty.
Basket good by Cultura. 4 minutes left of the first half. What a move! Number 24, ibang klase yun ah. Naghahanap si Alpha. Nice pass to Ken. Oh, what a fake! No good. Oh, what a putback by Punsalang. 23-13. Ayan na po ang Ayrshire. Time out! Outlaws.
Stop the clock.
Wait. Magsiscore pa lang. Either Conte
Next game, release na po, next game. Get ready na po, next game. Edinburgh versus L. Back to the ball game.
This one's out.
You just used it. You just said something.
I think namatay na yun. Hindi ko mamaya isa.
Sinerge mo ba sila?
Hindi.
Yours!
Ako na ulit.
Okay, get the rebound.
Ano, walang
Yeah, let's take it.
One.
24 foul. Number 24 foul.
6 na yan. Out, low,
Oh. Low.
Switch off yung mic.
Anong mic? Ito yung mic o yun? Ay, yung sa ilalim? Ano yung... Ito yung main?
Hindi, yan yung...
No, I'm saying even this one's not working.
But they're both switched on, so it's the mic. It's the speaker.
But that's what I was saying. I'm just speaking.
Pag halftime, announce next game. On time ba tayo? Okay tayo.
May nasa speaker.
Wala. Yung... 3 points, Bobra! Kita mo, di ka wala ng mic.
Aba, screen, yes, screen. Oh. Beautiful. Hey, come on, guys, we got 1 minute. We got 1 minute.
Na-add mo sa kanila.
1 minute! 1 minute! Kaya kulit ka. Seconds!
Stop it.
20!
Quick. Zero.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ayun. Ayun, kasi ko mo. Ay, di pa.
Kinuha ko nga itong baksa na yan.
Uy, sino to? Dylan. Oh, hi!
Saan yung ano?
It's switched on. Ano nangyari dyan?
Yung anong number yan?
Sinerge mo to.
Ate. Number 6 na.
Oo, na ako kasi naroon. Go. Good.
Teresa, number 6.
Tan. Mini.
Hindi yung, I'll just put the cable. Thank you.
Kaya nagdagano sa kasi yung pangalib na mo, tayo dyan.
Naka?
Live.
Naka-live siya dapat pero namamatay yung signal yung mahina eh.
I'm gonna need 2 portions of rice and chicken today, man.
Yeah.
I need to cheat me today. How long is the half?
Maybe 3 minutes maybe? Is that okay?
Yes, sir. No, I mean,
So you guys can have a break. It's really up to you guys. You can go ahead and take a longer...
I don't want to go above the schedule. So let's
No,
try
we're
to-
still good. We're still
We're
good.
still good?
Yeah, we're still good.
You got the other teams here?
Yeah, the other team's ready.
Whatever you want.
Next game.
Sino ba yung next game?
Second pa lang.
Not done yet.
Second half pa po, second half.
You switch to arrow. Arrow.
Oh yeah, so it's
That way now. Expansion half time. No?
it's Cultura's goal, so it's their goal. So yeah, we're switching. Okay, this is now their turn. We start.
I don't know.
Okay, back to the ball game. Second half na po, second half na.
Okay, no,
July with the ball. Oh, foul called on Cultura, number 20. 20.
Wala na si...
Pangatlo na ni Ponsalan. Third personal. Nice pass to Winzel. Easy two.
Ron! 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 Sino yung next game? Ayrshire sa ka? Ayrshire sa Eden Run. Tapos their game. Yung hindi ako na yung next game. Kasi topic.
Foul on Cultura. 29 foul. Second personal.
Kung saan lang tatlo.
Next game, Ayrshire versus Edinburgh. Basket good by July.
Ito bigyan na lang? Bakit? Hindi. Benta yun eh. Kuha ko. Kumuha ka na lang din. Pumasok yung isa hindi. Isa lang, so dapat eh.
Lakas ni July, basket and one. 7 foul on Cultura.
Si David.
Basket good. Lakas ni July. 27-20 na lang. Foul on number 29. Autos.
Number 29 si Bry. Number 29 Bry. Nalagay mo na ba? Okay.
Next game po, mag-ready na. We will start as soon as. Basket good. 28-20.
Gusto mo magsalita ba?
No.
Second basket good. 29-20.
Sabihin mo lang kung sino na kanina yung bola.
Autos with the ball. Ang pinasa sa kalaban. What a lead pass to Alta. Nice block by Brian Martinian. What a block by Coach. Kay Coach Martin Gago. 29-20. Oy, what a runner. Nice rebound by RJ. Open three. Good!
Si number 7, 3 points. 32-30. Okay. Yeah.
Gumaling siya. Yeah, gumaling. Mas confident siya. Ang pakita.
What a basket by number 24. Lakas naman number 24.
22 na.
Back to Alta for 3. No good. Papakulan na ang kultura. July with the ball. Pasa kay number 24. Bali. Wala. Kultura. Oh my God, open 3 na naman. No good. Binigay kay July. Uy, ang ganda na kasi. Wow, good. Subs.
Teka lang, tatlo na atas eh.
Wait lang sa subs. Wait. Wait for the referees. 29 foul. Tatlo na si 29. Subs lang.
RJ, tama na yan. 4.
Tatlo rin si RJ. Basket good. Next basket, subs.
Pero papasok na sige sa atin. 10 minutes pa sa pagod. Okay, David na. Sino pa taga? Si Alsa. 2 minutes pa.
Subs! Substitution.
Ang lamig. I'm dying.
Tristan, pumasok na. Nice pass to Kev. Sayang, uy. Open pass to number 30. Uy, spin move. Nilipad, wala. Good, Jero with the score. Dumidikit na ang score. 6 points na lang, 32-26. Tristan, pinalik kay Kev. For 3. No good. Patay ang natira nila.
Bakit? Hindi pala!
30 with the ball. Time out.
Nice pass, Jun!
Number 6 foul.
Number 6.
Time out.
Sino yung shoot mo?
Number 30. Number 30, tapos number 6 pa. Yung kultura. Yeah,
Sino na pa? Counting mo.
Yun yung po, one tama sa kultura. Kasi dalawa lang sila sa second.
Kultura naman tama, diba? How was the holiday?
Let's get back to the ball game. Time starts now.
Weird.
Magsigaw, ikaw nasa likod ka.
4 points na lang ang lamang.
Si number 5 pala yung nag-shoot, so sorry, hindi 30.
Basket good. 32-29. Next game, Ayrshire versus Hotshot. Awal.
Tama ba yan? Fight na?
Ron, warning na kayo ha. Warning na kayo. Fight na kayo. Open layup by Outpost. 1 point na lang ang laman. 1 point na lang ang laman. Pasa kay RJ. Nice drive by Conte. Foul call. 3 foul. Number 3 foul. Stuisha subs.
May number 3 ba sa si hindi?
Pakalan yung zero.
Score is 32-31. Basket good.
Come on, Contact. Another one in it. Nag-init siya.
Second basket no good.
Bola. Corner. Take it. Nice.
Ang galing ng ball movement ng Outpost. Binalik kay Bry. Sobra. Binalik kay Bry. Open 3. Wala. Nice rebound by Zero. Basket good. Tie game. 23 all. Ito na. 10 minutes left. 10 minutes left. Nandito na si Zato. Pinasa kay Tantan. Pinasa kay Alvin. Turnover. Nice rebound by foul call. Number 7. Ayaw mo lang. Wala. Number 7 foul. Outlaws. Nalagyan mo na yung team fouls? Binalik kay RJ. Ooh, nice fake. Jump shot. No good. Ayan na. Nice hustle by Ventura. Nice defensive stop. Kel, hold the ball. Naghahanap. Ay, foul call. Number 7 foul. Number 7 foul. Pangilan na ni number 7. Tatlo na po si number 7. Tatlo na si number 7.
No, 3 na siya.
Warning kayong dalawa. Pass kay Zato. Jump shot. Wala. Nice rebound kay RJ. Na-turnover pa. Outlaws. Who's ball? Who's ball, ref? Out. Ventura ball. Bagong haircut. Nice pass kay RJ. Number 14. Over the back foul. Penalty. Red, 2 shots. Penalty ng Ventura. Substitution, ref.
Tatlo na pre.
Tama yung first
Ilang pala, pre? 5?
5. 7 minutes left. Basket good. Lamang na ang Outlaws. 7 minutes.
Oh, shit.
Subs! 33-35 to Autos. Penalty ang Kultura.
Ay, konti!
Oh, foul goal!
Apat na yan. Isa ba?
Number 7, black and foul subs. Fourth personal na si number 7. Subs ref.
Okay, okay lang?
Just put it in the box.
Ayan, go.
Warning for penalty Autos. Basket good. Second basket good. Tie game. 35. Nice shot. Sayang. Sydney with the rebound. Binigay kay Alta. Back to Sydney. Si John. Turnover. Bry. Dire-diretso si Bry.
Stop! Get it!
Alta with the ball. Dire-diretso. Nice pass. Turnover. Outlaws ball.
Okay lang kamay mo?
Listen. I pray yung singsing mo daw.
Aka na. Laki naman ng daliri mo.
Pero lapit konti.
Wala akong makita.
Nice pass to Bry. Oh my God, sayang.
Ano ba? Guys!
Foul call on Kultura. Number 12 foul on Kultura. Penalty.
Sino to?
Ref,
12? 20.
kung sa lang 12 and 20 siya.
Kuya, 4 na siya.
4 personal na si ito lang.
Jan.
Basket good.
Nag-shoot yun? Yeah.
Four. 4 minutes left. Lamang ang Autos, 1 point. 36-35. Ayan na si Bore. Ayan na si Pidgeotto. Turnover. Substitution. Less than 4 minutes. 36-35. Napaka-close ang game. Oh my God. Parang pang-playoffs ang laro. Bry for 3! Sayang. Kultura ball.
Ika si David, pre.
3 minutes, 25 seconds. Oh my days. Binalik kay RJ. Nice pass kay Conte. Basket good!
Nice one, Doc! Nice one, Sid!
Lamang na ng 1 point ang Kultura.
Last 3 minutes!
Last 3 minutes.
Uli yan!
Oh, nice fake. Nice. Subs rep.
Jukes!
Substitution.
Atake ha!
Running time tayo. Running time.
But you need to watch out the time na.
Stop clock tayo. Last 2 minutes. Stop clock. Nice rebound by Kultura. Ayan na si Conte. Pass to Dato. Pass to Bryce. For 3! Oh, no good. Nice rebound. Number 1, Kultura.
You don't need to keep changing yun. 6 yung max. Saka na magagos. There's not much point. We don't really need it. We just need to know na over na.
No good. One more attempt.
Direko, did you message? Oh. Can you just let them know that you're here? Because I've got the car just in case they want to come now.
Alam, zero.
Basket good. Tie game. 37 all. Less than 2 minutes left. Back to Zato. Open 3. No good. 1 minute 40 seconds. Tie game. 37 all. Pasa kanya. Ay! Sobra! 1 minute 30.
Right now!
Pass to Kev. Nice pass to Sato for 3. For 3. Hey! 40-37. 1 minute left. No good. Kev's got the ball. Less than 1 minute. 55 seconds left. Nice pass. No good. No good. 24 foul. Penalty.
Gasato!
Nasa.
Gasato! 49 seconds!
Ay, dalawa pa kami.
May dalawa pa kita ng pre.
May time out.
May dalawa pa tayo.
Time out. Autos.
Yeah, that's the score.
3 points.
49. No, 40.
Baba, I was looking at that.
Is it 16 posts like after this foul or before?
No, this is it. This is it. So
This
it
is the
counts.
sixth?
Yeah, this is a 6-1.
Okay,
So this is penalty. Yeah.
No, it's it. The sixth one isn't.
Oh, right. Sorry,
Yeah.
sorry. Yeah, right. Sorry.
That was funny. That was funny.
Next game, Airshot versus Edinburgh. Please get ready.
What's that?
Are they Manchester?
Newcastle.
Fucking hell. Coming here from
We've
Newcastle
got
this
another
time.
one coming from Manchester.
That's nuts. That's too early for them, bro.
Depan.
No penalty, no penalty. Next. Warning for penalty. Penalty. Ano ba penalty? Yung oras. Let's see. No. Next one. What time? 45 seconds left. 3 points lang ang labang. Nice drive by Zato. 42-37. For 3, no good. 25 seconds. Legal kay Conte, basket good. 44-37. Turnover. 13 seconds. Oy, ipasok mo na bola. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Graduate!
8. Three seconds. 3, 2, 2, 1. Nice game, Cultura. 44-37.